Here's the dangerous David Villa. Xavi, those in yellow all around him. Oh, can't do that there. That's Fabregas. And it's Messi. And it's Messi. Barcelona get the goal inside that big 2 minutes. It's a massive goal because on the away goals rule it puts them in front in the tie, though they're just level on aggregate. Alan Smith.
Well, it's professional suicide, isn't it? 20 yards out. Arsenal's captain tries a little back heel. If anybody was going to do it, not Fabregas. We spoke of the importance of seeing themselves through to half-time. Just finding Rosette if you have to now, having done a lot of good defensive work, some excellent stuff on the back foot. Certainly onside Messi, and having missed that earlier chance, he is not going to miss a second invitation. A cruel one for Arsenal, but it was of their own making.
It's his record-breaking goal, his 32nd in Europe for Barcelona.